Hello, my name is Stefan here at Aquaforest, and in this short video I want to run you through how easy it is to download and install Searchlight on your local machine and how to apply the license key. The starting point is our website at aquaforest.com and hit the downloads page. There you simply select Aquaforest Searchlight, select your download type. In this case we're going to go for the 14-day trial. Enter your name and organization, and after that your email address, which is important because that is where we're going to send the temporary license key to. Agree to the terms and conditions and hit the download button, which leads you to the download page itself, showing you the detailed information about the product, in this case the product version and the size, nearly half a gigabyte. And here you can hit the actual download link, which will start downloading the MSI file to your machine. Now when you hit that download button, you will also be sent this email, which includes the temporary license key. You can copy and paste that from the email you receive, and we will use that in a minute. Now once the download is complete here, double click the MSI file, which will start the installer, and that runs you through a few steps. It won't take very long after you've accepted the terms and conditions. In some cases, depending on your settings, you may be to install some prerequisite software which Searchlight needs to operate. Just OK these and install these before the actual Searchlight installation starts. Now the installation itself takes under a minute, I guess, and once it is complete we can actually start the application from here. And here is Searchlight installed on the machine, and with the first running we will now have to paste our license key in here, which we got from our little, that's not it though, from our little email. And that already completes the installation process of Searchlight. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.